Hey everyone, this is a quick step-by-step tutorial on how to change your profile picture. Press Start, then press your username and choose Change Account Settings. Click the Browse for One option. Find the folder where your profile picture is located, click it, and then click the Choose Picture button. Now if you click the Start button, you'll see your picture displayed. Let's sign out to see our profile picture on the login screen. Now here on the login screen, you can see your new picture displayed. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.